How to switch between front and back camera while recording on Android. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, we're going to look at how to easily switch between your cameras while recording on your Android device. Now let's just jump right in. Now, unlike iPhone, Android allows you to switch between your camera, front and back camera while recording, whereas on your iPhone, if you want to switch between your cameras, you need to stop recording. So I'll show you how you can do that. Tap on the settings menu, and right besides that you have camera, so go ahead and open it up. Now as you can see here, I'm currently using my back camera. Now if I want to switch over to front, I can just tap on the little switch icon on the right hand side, and this will switch over to my front camera. You can also try flipping it up and down by swiping up and down on your screen, just like that. And while recording it's as well, go to video. Now on your video section, you can just tap on record. Once this starts recording, you can just go ahead and tap on the flip switch down below. And what you can also do instead is swipe up or down to flip your camera. And that's basically it. If you found the tutorial helpful, hit the like button down below and subscribe. I'll catch you in the next one.